Good morning, students. Welcome to English class 10. Today we start with Unit 3 Prose lesson Empowered Women Navigating the World. This is the story about six brave and powerful women who have achieved their goal. Let's have a look on their names. The characters are Left-handed Commander Vatika Joshi, who was the captain of the crew, Left-handed Commander Pratibha Jamwal, Left-hander Commander Swati Patarpalli, Left-hander Aishwarya Bodapati, Left-hander S.H. Vijaya Devi and Left-hander Payal Gupta. Now let's move on to the summary. The real power of women is currently being projected to the world by the advancement of the technology and media. Women occupy almost all the major positions in society. At present, their accomplishments are tremendous in many fields. One such achievement is all-women Indian Navy crew who travelled all over the world for 254 days in a sailboat called INSV Tarani. INSV stands for Indian Naval Ship Vessel. Tara Tarani. Tarani is a temple where the sailor worshipped and they kept the name of the ship as Tarani. Tarani is a patron deity for sailors and is worshipped for safety and success at sea. This INSV Tarani is the second sailboat of the Indian Navy. It is a 55 feet sailing vessel built in India by MS Aquarius Shipyard Private Limited located in Goa. It was taken into service by the Indian Navy on 18th February 2017. Navika Sagar Parikrama was a project undertaken in agreement with the national policy to empower women to attain their full potential. The voyage was aimed to showcase Make in India initiative by sailing on board built INSV Tarani. The Indian Navy had a 6-woman crew. Lieutenant Commander Vatika Joshi was the captain of the crew. The all-women team included Lieutenant Commander Pratibha Jamwal, Lieutenant Commander Swati Patarpalli, Lieutenant Aishwarya Podapati, Lieutenant S.H. Vijaya Devi and Lieutenant Payal Gupta. The crew started their voyage on 10th September 2017 from Goa, flagged off by the Defence Minister of India. It was a historic day and it covered the expedition in 5 legs with stopover at 4 ports. They went around the globe in 254 days and returned Goa port on 21st May 2018. These 6 members of women crew broke many stereotypes during their record-setting sail. This crew had shared their experience about their great voyage in an interview, where we really come to know their difficulties and unpredictable challenges they have faced all through their expeditions in their interview. Vatika Joshi said that none of them was acquainted with a sailboat, but they slowly built upon it through 3 years of training. The training they had was some theoretical courses on navigation, communication, and weather prediction. Aishwarya started that they underwent these basic training courses in Mumbai at the Indian Naval Watermanship Training Center. They were trained for almost 3 years to prepare for the voyage. The selection process was that out of 30 women, 6 of them were shortlisted. The crew was mentored by Commander Dilip Don. Vatika Joshi wanted to make sure that she completed the journey with ultimate honesty. They completed this journey without the use of an engine at all. Payal Gupta told the interview that it was their team effort which had actually helped them in navigating through the 20 hours long storm at sea. They witnessed the brilliant southern lights from the sea. It was rare to watch that in those months from the sea. They also picked some hobbies and kept posting pictures of delicacies like pani puri and cakes. They read books when the weather was pleasant. Swati used to cook delicious dishes with the limited resources that they had on the boat. They celebrated Diwali at sea and 3 birthdays, including the first birthday of the boat, as women. It is a matter of great honor. This expedition is a great boost to women in the country to take up adventures like sailing around the world. So, dear children, I think that you all have observed the women's power, how they control their emotion, mental condition with respect and confidence to achieve their goal. So don't underestimate the power of Indian women. That's all today. Let's meet very soon with more interesting topics. Till that, stay home, stay safe. Thank you, children.